We'll see if we can fly by these guys, especially the semi. Nope, BMW's not gonna let me in. Alright, what's going on YouTube? Dapper Dan here. Another beautiful day here in Colorado. It's super nice out. Tad bit windy, but it's alright. Here we are today on the Supermoto, like usual, and we're getting rained on a little bit, but it's okay. So today we are going to talk about why basically the government forced me to buy this bike in 2020 rather than in 2021. They forced my hand. I didn't really have a choice. I knew it was the bike that I wanted, but I had to not wait to get it. I had to get it at the end of 2020 for a specific reason. Oh my gosh, why is it raining? Well, hopefully you guys can hear me over the rain. This isn't going to be very fun. It wasn't supposed to rain today. Alright, so the reason that I had to get this bike in 2020 rather than 2021 is the electric vehicle tax credit. Apparently vehicle manufacturers, and I don't know how Tesla keeps extending theirs, and I think Ford keeps extending theirs too, but vehicle manufacturers only have a certain number of years that they can give out the electric vehicle credit, and it just so happened that at the end of 2020, that's when Zero's credit was expiring. So if I would have gotten it in 2021 rather than in 2020, I would not have gotten the vehicle credit back in my taxes. For electric motorcycles, for electric cars, they have like a fixed rate of like $7,500 that you get back. But for electric motorcycles, it is 10% of the selling price. So in my case, the bike itself, plus the mods, plus the labor for the mods, and plus I got one of those yellow quick chargers that they have too. So that was on the sale price. Everything that I got for this bike was all on the sale price, so all of that added up to the 10% that I got back. I even got 10% back on the labor, because that was all on the bill of sale. That whole price, I think it was like $13,000, something like that. All of that counted towards the amount that I got back for the motorcycle, and that's one reason why I got the mods already installed on the bike. When I took delivery, they were installed at the dealership. And the Zero's Zero's tax credit was, well, it's now expired, but 2020 was the last of it. They don't have a tax credit anymore. They've been around for a while too. They've been around since like 2012, I think. So they've had the tax credit for a while. So I guess it's just their time that it finally expired. Vehicle or a company like Ford, they just now have their Mach-E and then their new F-150 Lightning. So I think their credit is just starting, so they're gonna have it for a while. But there you guys go. That's the reason why I was forced to buy this bike before my other Supermoto sold. I had to buy this bike in 2020 for that reason. And I also had to get all of the mods beforehand and installed beforehand. I didn't have to, but I just figured may as well. So the government takes enough in taxes as it is. You got to get back as much as you can while they still offer it. That would be a definitely suggestion that I would give to somebody. Taxation is theft. The government can just print as much money as they want. Why they gotta take my money? Anyway guys, that's pretty much all I got for you in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed hearing about the reason that I had to get this bike last year instead of waiting to get it this year, instead of waiting for when my other Supermoto sold. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think. If you really enjoyed the video, share it with a friend. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and have a good day. Oh, gravel.